In this question, a dog running with a constant speed v is chasing a cat that is running with a constant velocity u vector. During the chase, the dog always head towards the cat. At an instant, direction of motion of the dog makes angle theta with that of the cat, and distance between them is small r. Find magnitude of acceleration of the dog at this instant. और एग्जैक्टली कुछ उसी तरीके की सिचुएशन जिसमें जस्ट एक स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा है. अ मैन क्रॉसेज अ रिवर ऑफ विड्थ d. Current flow speed is v. Speed of swimmer relative to water is v. Men always head towards the point exactly opposite to the starting point at another bank, that is relative to water. Find radius of curvature of path followed by the swimmer just after he starts swimming. So let me first take this problem. तो पहले इसको यहाँ पर देखते हैं. तो सपोज ये जो भी कैट है, दिस कैट इज मूविंग विथ कॉन्स्टेंट वेलोसिटी. दैट मीन्स मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन बोथ आर अनचेंज्ड. एंड फॉर डॉग इट्स स्पीड इज कांस्टेंट. दैट मीन्स डायरेक्शन कैन चेंज. तो इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो सकता है. तो सपोज जो भी यहाँ पर ये कैट है, दिस कैट इज मूविंग अलॉन्ग दिस लाइन. सपोज इट इज मूविंग अलॉन्ग दिस लाइन. सो लेट अस फर्स्ट स्टडी हाउ दिस टू आर मूविंग, हाउ डॉग एंड कैट आर मूविंग. सपोज एट सम इंस्टेंट कैट इज़ हियर, कैट यहाँ पर है. तो इसकी जो वेलोसिटी है, दैट इज़ वेलोसिटी इज़ अलॉन्ग दिस लाइन u. और लेट्स से जो डॉग है, डॉग यहाँ कहीं पे है, डॉग इज समवेयर हियर. तो डॉग की जो वेलोसिटी है, दैट इज़ ऑलवेज टुवर्ड्स दिस कैट. दिस इज़ डॉग एंड दिस इज़ कैट. सो दिस इज़ v. सो आफ्टर सम टाइम डॉग विल रीच हियर and this cat will reach here. Cat continues to move in this direction with velocity u. Now the dog has to change its direction of motion. अब इसका जो motion का direction है, तो just join this two and it is always towards this cat. So it will move like this. After some time the dog will reach here, the cat will reach here. So again join the line, join the 2 points, and this is the direction of velocity of this dog and this is the direction of velocity of this cat. So dog is moving something like this, its path is something like this kind of curve. Okay, so now I am coming to this problem. तो suppose किसी particular general instant पे I am making a separate diagram from this. This is just to understand how dog and cat are moving. Suppose this is the velocity of this cat and I am assuming dog is somewhere here. Suppose this is dog here और इसकी जो velocity है, that velocity is like this. So this is the velocity of this dog and it is given that theta is the angle between their direction of motion. So its direction of motion is like this and its direction of motion is like this. So this angle is theta. So it is clearly given that speed of dog is not changing. अगर इसकी speed change नहीं हो रही तो इसका मतलब है कि इसकी velocity का सिर्फ direction change हो रहा है. तो इसका मतलब है कि जो भी dog का acceleration है, acceleration of dog, तो एक्सेलरेशन के दो कंपोनेंट्स हो सकते हैं. वन इज़ नॉर्मल एंड वन इज़ टेंजेंशियल. सो टेंजेंशियल जो कि वेलोसिटी के लाइन के अलोंग हो और जो नॉर्मल है वो वेलोसिटी के परपेंडिकुलर. जो नॉर्मल कंपोनेंट होता है एक्सेलरेशन का, दैट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर चेंज इन डायरेक्शन. और इस टाइम पे जो भी इसका एक्सेलरेशन है डॉग का, दैट इज़ ओनली ड्यू टू नॉर्मल एक्सेलरेशन एंड इट इज़ द टोटल एक्सेलरेशन ऑल्सो. दिस इज़ द नॉर्मल एक्सेलरेशन. So we have to find the normal acceleration. और किसी भी वेक्टर के लिए, चाहे वो कोई भी वेक्टर हो, वेलोसिटी, एक्सेलरेशन, पोजीशन, एनी वेक्टर, तो कोई वेक्टर अगर उसका मैग्नीट्यूड चेंज नहीं हो रहा है और सिर्फ डायरेक्शन में चेंज हो रहा है, इसका मतलब कि जो भी वेक्टर में चेंज हो रहा है वो उसके परपेंडिकुलर है. फॉर एनी वेक्टर, सपोज एनी वेक्टर ए, चेंज इज डिफाइंड एज डेल्टा ए इज इक्वल टू ए फाइनल माइनस ए इनिशियल. ओके, एंड ए फाइनल इज ए इनिशियल plus delta a. There is a detailed video of this and I will give that link in the description. So a final is equal to a initial plus delta a. Delta is the change. Okay, if change is always perpendicular, always means in a small time interval, if change is always perpendicular to the initial vector, then there is no change in magnitude. Suppose this is vector a initially, and for a very small time duration change is something like this. It is perpendicular to this, so vector will change its direction without changing its magnitude. We can think like that. This is the center and this vector is rotating on a circle. This tip is on the circle. Again change is perpendicular, so it will rotate like this. Again change is perpendicular, it will rotate like this. Again change is perpendicular to this vector, change it will be like this. So there is no change in magnitude. If this is a circle, then we can think that this is the center, this is the tail of the vector, and this is the head of the vector, and this is rotating on this. Okay, so these are small tangential changes. These are small tangential, means tangential to the circle. So now we are interested to find the acceleration. Okay, so this is the vector, let's say this is the velocity vector, and this is a small change dv. I can write this small change as dv, and now this is the final velocity. So this angle is d theta. So what is this dv? This dv, change in velocity, I can write simply this v is like radius, so radius multiplied by this theta. This will give this arc length. Arc is almost a straight line here, so this is dv. And what is d by dt? This is v d theta by dt. D theta by dt is the angular velocity of this velocity vector. How this angle is changing with respect to time, how this vector is rotating, at what rate, this velocity vector is rotating, that is d theta by dt. So I have to write this d theta by dt. So d theta by dt from this diagram, for change in angle, what components are responsible? इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन किया हुआ है. दिस आर द टू पॉइंट्स ज्वाइनिंग कैट एंड डॉग, एंड विच कंपोनेंट ऑफ u and v are responsible for change in this angle or for angular velocity. So component of velocities perpendicular to this line will be responsible. Okay, so this is u and this angle is theta, so this component is u cos theta and this component is u sin theta, and there is no component of v perpendicular to this line, so this is only u sin theta divided by r. This is the angular velocity. So v, and this is omega is u sin theta divided by r, and obviously this is the acceleration also. So this is the acceleration of this dog. So acceleration of dog is simply v u sin theta divided by r. And if we are interested in to find the radius of curvature of this dog, जो डॉग का जो पाथ है उसका जो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर वो क्या होगा, तो इसका जो मोमेंट है वो इस तरीके से, इट इज़ टर्निंग लाइक दिस. सो टेंजेंशियल एक्सेलरेशन, सॉरी नॉर्मल एक्सेलरेशन विल बी like this. It is perpendicular to the path and it is like this. It is, and the arrow will point in this direction. So this is the normal acceleration, this is the acceleration or normal acceleration, both are same. And the net acceleration of dog is equal to the normal acceleration of the dog. So for radius of curvature, if I want to find radius of curvature, this is simply speed square, which is velocity square, v square, divided by the normal acceleration. So v square normal acceleration is v u sin theta by r. So v is cancelled, so this is equal to vr divided by u sin theta. This is the radius of curvature for this dog. Now I am coming to this problem. This is a streamer river problem. So let us solve this problem now. Let us first make the diagram. So let us make the diagram. So suppose this is a river, and suppose river flow is in this direction. River flow velocity is simply v here, this is vr and this is equal to v, and suppose swimmer is somewhere here initially, and this is that opposite point. Okay, this is that opposite point p. So its velocity with respect to river, which is again v. So this is vmr, velocity of man with respect to river, this is v, and we have to add this v to get the net velocity with respect to the ground. So these two vectors will add up to get the net velocity of this swimmer. So this is vr and this is v. Okay, I am going to solve this problem in frame of river. So इस problem को river के frame में अगर यहाँ पे किया जाए तो this diagram is with respect to ground. This is ground's frame. Okay, this is ground frame, and now I am making diagram in frame of river. तो अगर river के frame में इसको लेके चलें तो how the system will look like. So system will look like, now this point P which was at rest in the ground frame, it will now move in this frame of river. So river ki velocity is in the backward direction, and with respect to river, this point P will move in this direction, and with what velocity of river, which is equal to v. So this point P is now moving in this direction, and for swimmer For swimmer in reverse frame, we will see only this velocity v. So this is the velocity with respect to the river. So initially it is here, and now initially it is going like this. After some time this point P will reach here, somewhere here. So for that it has to go like this. It is exactly similar to this situation. Okay, so after some time this point is this swimmer is here, और जो ये पॉइंट P है, पॉइंट P यहाँ पहुँच जाएगा. तो उस केस में फिर इसको ऐसे मूव करना पड़ेगा अलॉन्ग दिस लाइन, क्योंकि इसकी जो वेलोसिटी है, जो VMR है, VMR इज़ ऑलवेज टुवर्ड दिस पॉइंट P. ओके, so it is exactly the similar situation. It is going exactly in the similar way as I have drawn this diagram. So these two are similar situation. So let me make another diagram. So this diagram is again with respect to the river frame, and at some instant point P is here, and suppose this is this swimmer and it is moving like this. Both have the same speed v. इसकी speed भी v है, इसकी भी speed यहाँ पे v, and suppose this angle is theta and this distance is r. Okay, so acceleration of this swimmer is obviously the normal acceleration, and this normal acceleration is like this. So this acceleration, I am talking everything in this frame, the frame of river. It is reverse frame. Okay, river frame. So this acceleration in the above case, this is v and this is u. So v and u both are different. V and u both are different. Now u is also equal to v. So this is simply v square sine theta divided by r. This is the acceleration. This acceleration is in reverse frame, and velocity of river is also constant. There is no acceleration of river current. There is no acceleration of flow. So this acceleration is acceleration in reverse frame, and this acceleration is also the acceleration in the ground frame also. Okay, so this is the acceleration in ground frame also. So this is acceleration इन ग्राउंड फ्रेम ऑल्सो. ग्राउंड फ्रेम में भी यही एक्सेलरेशन होगा, क्योंकि रिवर का कोई एक्सेलरेशन नहीं है इसमें. अदरवाइज वी हैव टू ऐड द रिवर्स एक्सेलरेशन ऑल्सो. So this is the same acceleration. This is in reverse frame, this is in ground frame. Now let us move to the initial point. अब यहाँ पे इनिशियल पॉइंट पे यहाँ पे आते हैं. सपोज इनिशियल पॉइंट ये था, ये इनिशियल यहाँ पे था, और अभी ग्राउंड फ्रेम में ही वापस आते हैं, क्योंकि जो इसका ट्रेजेक्टरी है ग्राउंड फ्रेम में ही, उसका हमें यहाँ पर रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर निकालना है. तो इसकी वेलोसिटी एक तो ये हो गई v, और एक ये ऐड हो गया इसमें, यहाँ पर ये हो गया v, और इसका जो एक्सेलरेशन है, तो एक्सेलरेशन अभी जैसे जब यहाँ पर इसने स्टार्ट किया तब एक्सेलरेशन इसका इस डायरेक्शन में रहा होगा. ठीक है, फिर धीरे धीरे एक्सेलरेशन ऐसे ऐसे यहाँ पर नॉर्मल एक्सेलरेशन इस पाथ के परपेंडिकुलर रहेगा. ठीक है, तो ये कौन सा वाला पाथ है जो कि रिवर के फ्रेम में है, तो इस फ्रेम के परपेंडिकुलर एक्सेलरेशन रहेगा. तो इनिशियली एक्सेलरेशन इज़ इन दिस डायरेक्शन. तो यहाँ पर ग्राउंड फ्रेम में वही एक्सेलरेशन है, तो इट इज़ इन दिस डायरेक्शन. So now this is the diagram, this distance is d. So we have to find the net speed. Net speed is simply v root 2, and obviously this angle is 45 degree. Now we have to find the component of acceleration perpendicular to velocity. Okay, so this is the v root 2, this is the net velocity, and component of acceleration perpendicular to velocity. Obviously this angle is 45 degree, because this is 45, this is 45. So this will be a by root 2. So what is radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is v root 2 square. This is the net speed square divided by the normal acceleration, which is a by root 2. So this is 2v square. This root 2 will go up. This root 2 will go up, and put the acceleration's value. Acceleration value is v square. Now what is the value of sine theta here? So initially what is the angle between this v and this v? Okay, so here it is theta, and initially this angle was, this v is something like this and this v is like this. So initially this angle is 90 degree. Angle between their direction of motion, it is moving like this, it is moving like this angle is 90 degree. So acceleration initially is v square sine 90 by r, and r is initially equal to d, distance between these 2 points. So this is, sorry, acceleration, this is simply v square sine theta is 1 and r is d. So v square is cancelled here. So radius of curvature is 2 root 2d. So this is the radius of curvature for swimmer.